Today, we're talking about something that affects us all: our health. Now, men are often notorious for avoiding the doctor or brushing things off, but recognizing the right symptoms and acting early can make a huge difference when it comes to your health. So, in this video, we'll discuss the key symptoms every man should be aware of. These are the signs your body may be sending you to indicate that something isn't quite right. Whether it's your heart, mind, joints, or even impotency, paying attention to these early signs could help you avoid more serious issues down the road. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. Chest pain and shortness of breath. Let's start with one of the most common, but often dismissed symptoms: chest pain and shortness of breath. I know. Sometimes it's easy to brush it off as something trivial, especially if you're busy. But listen closely. Chest pain, especially if it comes with shortness of breath, is a red flag. It could be something as serious as a heart attack or other heart-related issues like angina. Even mild chest pain that comes and goes should never be ignored. Remember, a heart attack doesn't always come with dramatic symptoms. Sometimes it's just a dull pressure or tightness in your chest. And if you pair that with shortness of breath or dizziness, don't wait. Get checked immediately. Think of it like this: if your car's engine starts sputtering, you don't wait until it breaks down completely. You check it out early. Your heart deserves the same treatment. 2. Sudden or severe headaches. Now let's talk about headaches. We all get them, right? But if you experience sudden, severe headaches or headaches that feel different from your usual ones, it's time to pay attention. These kinds of headaches could be more than just the typical tension headache. If your headaches are accompanied by symptoms like blurred vision, nausea, or dizziness, it could be a sign of something more serious, like a stroke, brain aneurysm, or even high blood pressure. It's like your body sending an urgent signal that it needs attention. Imagine a car warning light flashing in your face. That is your body's way of telling you that something needs fixing. 3. Changes in bathroom habits. If you're experiencing difficulty urinating, increased frequency, or even more concerning, blood in your urine, these could be warning signs of something like prostate problems, bladder infections, or even kidney issues. Don't wait for these symptoms to go away. They could point to something serious, like prostate cancer or other urological conditions. Think of it like checking your car's fluid levels. If something's off, you need to top it up before it leads to bigger problems. 4. Persistent fatigue or unexplained. Weight loss. We all feel tired sometimes, especially when life gets busy. But if you're constantly exhausted or losing weight without trying, this could be a sign that something's wrong. Unexplained weight loss could be linked to serious conditions like diabetes, thyroid disorders, or even cancer. Fatigue, on the other hand, can point to conditions like sleep apnea, anemia, or heart disease. It's like trying to drive a car with an engine that keeps stalling. You need to find the cause of that loss of energy. Your body is working overtime, and it's telling you something is off. 5. Changes in mood or mental health symptoms. A lot of guys try to push through the tough emotions. But if you're feeling down for an extended period, struggling with irritability, or dealing with anxiety or depression, those are signs you shouldn't ignore. Mental health is just as important as physical health. Conditions like depression, anxiety, and even stress can affect not just your mind, but your body too. When your mind is under stress, your body can feel the effects, whether it's physical pain, fatigue, or lack of appetite. Think of it like a computer trying to run too many programs at once. Eventually, it crashes. If your mental health is off, everything else in your life will feel the ripple effects. 6. Impotency and sexual health issues. Many men are embarrassed to talk about their sexual health, but impotency can be a signal of deeper health issues, such as heart disease, diabetes, or even hormonal imbalances. If you're experiencing ED regularly, don't ignore it. It could be your body's way of telling you that something's going on internally. ED is not just about intimacy. It could be an early warning sign of vascular or cardiovascular problems. Getting it checked early could help you catch bigger issues before they develop into something more serious. 7. Numbness or weakness in limbs. If you notice sudden numbness or weakness in your arms or legs, it could be a sign of something serious like a stroke, nerve damage, or a herniated disc. If these symptoms are accompanied by things like difficulty speaking, blurry vision, or confusion, you need to get help immediately. Think of it like a power outage. When one part of the system is affected, it impacts everything else. Numbness in your limbs is your body's way of warning you that the system isn't working properly. 8. Persistent cough or chest discomfort. Persistent cough? Chest discomfort? Again, something we tend to dismiss, but these could point to respiratory issues like chronic bronchitis, asthma, or even lung cancer. If you have a cough that won't go away, or if your chest feels tight, this could be your lungs' way of signaling you that it's time to check things out. Imagine driving a car with a strange noise in the engine. Ignoring it might cause bigger problems down the road. Likewise, don't ignore persistent cough or chest discomfort. 9. Unexplained swelling or lumps. Last but certainly not least, unexplained swelling or lumps in your body. If you find a lump in your neck, underarm, groin, or even in your abdomen, don't brush it off. Lumps can sometimes signal lymph node problems, cysts, or even cancer. Your body is like a well-oiled machine. If something feels off or different, don't just let it sit. Have it checked. Early detection is key in preventing serious health issues. So, there you have it, some of the key symptoms every man should be aware of. The truth is, your body sends signals when something's not quite right, and the earlier you catch something, the easier it is to treat. Your health is precious, so don't ignore the signs. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with someone who might need this info, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Have you experienced any of these symptoms or want to share your health tips? Drop a comment below. Let's help each other out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.